Welcome back. In the dawn of the AI revolution, education stands as a cornerstone, not merely a foundational element, but a dynamic catalyst shaping the future. As we delve into the era where artificial intelligence redefines boundaries and challenges conventional paradigms, the role of education becomes increasingly multifaceted and pivotal. The intertwining of AI and education heralds a transformative journey, not just in learning, but in adapting, innovating, and envisioning the future. The core of the talk is unveiling the synergy between AI and educational paradigm shift in the educational landscape, tailoring learning experiences to individual needs and capabilities. The infusion of AI in education enables personalized learning paths, making education more effective and accessible. Bridging the skills gap. As AI evolves, the demand for new skill sets burgeons. Education is instrumental in equipping individuals with the necessary skills to thrive in an AI-dominated world, including critical thinking, problem-solving, and adaptability. Ethical and responsible AI development. Education plays a crucial role in instilling ethical standards and responsibility in the development and deployment of AI technologies. It ensures that the AI revolution is guided by moral compasses and human-centric values. Cultivating innovation and creativity. Education nurtures the creative minds that will drive AI advancements. It fosters an environment where questioning, experimenting, and innovating are encouraged, leading to groundbreaking AI solutions. Democratizing AI knowledge. Education democratizes AI, making it accessible to diverse populations irrespective of socioeconomic backgrounds. This inclusivity ensures a more equitable AI future, where benefits are shared broadly. Addressing challenges. Digital divide. Education must address the digital divide to ensure equitable access to AI resources and knowledge. Curriculum. Evolution. Adapting curricula to include AI and emerging technologies is essential for future readiness. Teacher training. Equipping educators with the skills to teach AI-related subjects is crucial for effective knowledge transfer. In conclusion, education is not just important, it is indispensable in the AI revolution. It is the beacon that guides ethical AI development, the bridge connecting human potential with technological advancements, and the force that democratizes AI for the betterment of society. As we stand at this pivotal juncture, let us embrace education as our ally in navigating the AI revolution. Together, we can chart a course towards a future where AI amplifies human capabilities and fosters a world enriched by technology, yet grounded in the values that define our humanity. This journey begins in the classrooms of today, shaping the visionaries of tomorrow. And with that, I invite you to join this enlightening journey. If you found this discussion insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more thought-provoking content. Don't forget to look into the description below for more resources and information. Your engagement helps in spreading knowledge and awareness about the crucial role of education in the AI era. Together, let's explore and shape this fascinating world of AI and education.